Hi Neet aspirants, welcome to Vari Medical Academy. Vari Medical Academy சார்பாக அனைத்து விதமான டாபிக் சார்ந்த ஒவ்வொரு வீடியோவும் இனி வரும் நாட்களில் உங்களுக்கு வரும். உங்களுக்கு இதை சார்ந்த சந்தேகங்கள், கேள்விகள் எதுவாக இருந்தாலும் கமெண்ட்ஸில் பாஸ் பண்ணுங்க. எங்கள் எக்ஸ்பர்ட் ஃபேக்கல்ட்டி மெம்பர்ஸ் போடுற வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அந்த வீடியோ ரெகுலராக உங்களுக்கு வரணும்னா சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. தேங்க்யூ. Wish you all the best.
Good afternoon students. Already we discussed in electrochemistry topic what is electrolytic cell, what is galvanic cell, Nernst equation, Faraday's laws of electrolysis, Nernst equation, equilibrium constant, and variation of conductivity and molar conductance with concentration, and what is the Kohlrausch law. And next one today class is applications of Kohlrausch law. What are the applications of Kohlrausch law? The first application is to determine molar conductance at infinite dilution of molar conductance. Here is molar conductance at infinite dilution of weak electrolyte by using Kohlrausch law. Directly we cannot determine by using three strong electrolyte supports. Now I am writing, if you determine the molar conductance at infinite dilution of acetic acid. Acetic acid is the weak acid. Now it can be determined, this one molar conductance at infinite dilution of acetic acid can be determined by using Kohlrausch law. Now writing three strong electrolytes, lambda infinity m CH3COO Na. The first one is a sodium acetate, not formate. Now write lambda infinity m, here is CH3COO minus lambda infinity m Na plus. By using three strong electrolyte, the first one is this one, here is equation number 1. Next one is lambda infinity m of HCl, hydrochloric acid. Now write lambda infinity m of H plus lambda infinity m Cl minus. Already you know what is Kohlrausch law. Molar conductance or equivalent conductance at infinite dilution of electrolyte is equal to sum of the ionic conductance of cation anion. Now I am taking another one, lambda infinity m NaCl, sodium chloride. Now write the equivalent, lambda infinity of Na plus, here m, lambda infinity m Cl minus, here is equation number 3, this is equation number 2. Now above this, by using what we have to determine, you have to determine molar conductance at infinite dilution of weak electrolyte. Only weak electrolyte only we can determine by using three strong electrolytes. Now write and combining these three equations, what we have to write, 1 plus 2, equation number 1 and 2 minus 3. I am writing here the combined equation. The combined equation means here first 1 plus means lambda infinity m CH3COO minus lambda infinity m Na plus. First one. Next to second one, add lambda infinity H plus plus lambda infinity m Cl. Next to minus lambda infinity m Na plus minus only, minus lambda infinity m Cl minus here. Here is lambda m plus Na plus minus, here is minus, here is plus, this one cancel. Here lambda Cl plus Cl and minus Cl cancel, and finally what you have to get, molar conductance at infinite dilution of weak electrolyte. The final equation is we get lambda infinity m CH3COO minus and lambda infinity m H plus is remaining. It can be determined by using 3 strong electrolytes. Okay, the first point is to determine the molar conductance at infinite dilution of weak electrolyte by using Kohlrausch law principle. Kohlrausch law application is first application to determine the molar conductance at infinite dilution of weak electrolyte. But directly we cannot determine by using 3 strong electrolytes. What are the strong electrolytes? Sodium acetate, I am writing lambda infinity m CH3COO Na. It can be dissociated into CH3COO minus Na plus, the first one. And second equation by using HCl, lambda m H plus and lambda infinity m Cl minus, that is equation number 2. Another one electrolyte NaCl. Now following these equation 1 and 2 adding 1 plus 2 adding minus 3. Now I am writing here is plus Na plus minus Na plus is cancelled. Here also plus Cl minus minus Cl minus cancel. The finally what you have to determine, lambda infinity of acetic acid is determined. Understand? This is a very important application for Kohlrausch law. Next to the final equation we have to write lambda infinity m acetic acid, lambda infinity m acetic acid CH3COOH. How to determine? Alright, lambda infinity m CH3COONA plus lambda infinity m HCl minus lambda infinity of NaCl. This is direct question coming 2021 Neet exam. They given values sodium acetate and HCl and NaCl. Just substitute the values, we will get the final molar conductance at infinite dilution of weak electrolyte. Next to take another example. I am taking, here is acetic acid taking, formic acid I am taking. Formic acid, write down. Here is formic acid means lambda infinity m formic acid CH3HCOOH. Formic acid is the weak acid. Now write here weak acid lambda infinity m HCOONA plus lambda infinity m HCl minus lambda infinity m NaCl. By using this 3 strong electrolytes we can determine the lambda infinity weak electrolyte at infinite dilution at weak electrolyte, molar conductance at infinite dilution of weak electrolyte. Even these are the useful. If you take lambda infinity m ammonium hydroxide, if ammonium hydroxide is the weak electrolyte. Now write lambda infinity m ammonium chloride NH4Cl plus lambda infinity m, here I am writing NaOH minus lambda infinity m NaCl. Here is Cl cancel, Na plus cancel. We can write the direct equation molar conductance of electrolyte at infinite dilution by using 3 strong electrolyte support. These example we can use applications of, first application is to determine the molar conductance of electrolyte at infinite dilution, and please useful this, and it is useful for your preparation. Thank you. Please comment it and subscribe it.